Hello traders, in this video I am going to talk about the no repaint indicator that is available on TradingView. It's used by a high number of traders. I will show you today that how many traders are using it, and you will be simply amazed. And I have tested this indicator. This indicator is giving very good results. If you are a scalper, if you are a day trader, it is providing you the best results. Even it has a very big chance that within a single trade you can double your investment if you are an aggressive type of trader. So in this video I will be going to throw light on each and every point of this video. So please make sure that you should not miss any part of the trading view this indicator, because I will be going to talk about the little things that are going to matter a lot when you will be trading with this indicator on the live market. So before I start this video, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a special 1-hour coaching program. You can book your coaching program with me. Please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below, and you will be able to get the mentorship from me directly on a live Skype session, right? And moreover, subscribers, if you're willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and it's the regulated broker that offers you variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen. So you can join this broker by finding the link in the description of this video below. Okay, so now let's talk about this indicator, indicator that is available on TradingView, and why this indicator is quite important, because this is the main thing that it is why it is overlooked by so many traders. I don't know why, but this is something really exceptional. That's a very good scalping chance, and that can make you a highly profitable trader. Okay, so first of all, you can see these are the bands, and these are the bands that are based on the Fibonacci levels. Okay, you know that the Fibonacci is the highly accurate indicator that is available on TradingView, and you guys normally do very well with the Fibonacci retracement levels. So these levels are provided to us in the form of bands. Okay, first look that I am giving you the trick to use this indicator. First of all, you should not be going to use this indicator in this way. Like, always magnify your chart, zoom out your chart, so that you can do proper level to level trading. So this indicator will be for the highly successful aggressive scalping. This will be used. Okay, we cannot plan a very long trade with this indicator, but if you are going to do scalping, then this is going to fulfill your dreams in a very easy way. So how? That's very simple. You will wait for every time that it doesn't matter what is the trend right now. Okay, you do not have to find the trends that either I'm into the downtrend or uptrend. It doesn't matter while you are using this scalping strategy, because you know that the market moves into both directions. Even this is the downtrend, but still you will see some spikes up into the bullish trend. Okay, so bullish wave. You know this water exactly moves like the flow of the water. So how to catch this one? If you look at here, you can see that you have a very good chance that the candle is closed below that band. You can go for the selling opportunity. You can instantly sell it, and if the next candle goes down, you should exit from your trade, and you should simply exit. Do not plan a long trade with this indicator. Next, you can see the next channel broke up. You can see that this broke the band here. You can see the next signal was down. You will simply trade one candle and you will be out of the market. The next one, you can see that here we have a sell again. You can see again down, again up. When it starts to make the upper side, you can see that you still have a chance. Okay, right now when I'm making this video, it's a bit slow time overall here, but you can still make the very good profits. Okay, now this is the good example. Now guys, here you can do a little bit technique. So first of all, before showing you the technique, let me show you, because basically let's talk about that which indicator is it. You need to go to TradingView and you need to write Fibonacci Bollinger Bands. Okay, so when you will write Fibonacci Bollinger Bands, then this indicator will come. That is in front of your screen at the moment by Rashad, and you can see this is the numbers. The numbers are huge. Okay, so you can use this one. Okay, now let me give you one more idea. If you are good enough to find the entry based on that if it is breaking, and if you properly believe, if you are good in candlestick patterns, and if you believe that this candle is going to close in a bullish way, then you can even take your entry from here as well. Otherwise, you can take the next candle. Okay, the most safest way is to find the entries based on the close of the candles on every band. Let's find more examples. Okay, so here this is a stop loss case. Not all the trades will be going to hit. You can see this candle closes above that band, you can see the next bullish. So you will be going to trigger one trade only, okay, one trade only as per the break of the bands, okay. So this is the there are a lot of examples, guys. You can see this indicator, look, this candle pumped up, and you can see that was a good scalping chance. And then even if you are going to follow with the trend, then it will be it will be a very great tool. It will become a very great tool if you are going to trade with the trend. So for example, look at this one. This is the uptrend. You can see the bullish retracement here. If you have not taken a chance from here, then you can take the next one. You can see you should be in profit. So this is all about the today's strategy. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? You can comment into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.